Welcome to the center of Calpe town. Calpe is the bustling heart of the beautiful Costa Blanca region. And obviously, news always make revolutions. But we are not about revolutions, we are about evolution. Experience the awe-inspiring world of evolution. "17-story house, first line of the sea, the heart of the Costa Blanca, the city of Calpe in the city center, with panoramic views of 360 degrees. Extremely fascinating layouts, incredibly fascinatingly made terraces. They are evenly distributed, they have rounded shapes, and there is a distinct feeling that each apartment is uniquely special, and most likely not just a feeling. Let us see what it looks like on the inside. Let's observe the terraces available. Panoramic windows throughout the entire apartment. Terraces provide a scenic view of the saline lake Las Salinas, home to a vibrant colony of pink flamingos, by the way. And right away on the opposite side of the terrace, we can see the initial edge of the sea. Very beautiful beaches of Calpe. And if we go to the right side of the apartment, the terrace completely surrounds the entire apartment. You see with such beautiful semicircular shapes. And we see Benidorm in the distance. In other words, the apartment has a complete view. There are views in every direction which are extremely beautiful. And now let's take a look at what is inside the apartment. This is a pilot apartment, so it contains all the furniture. The apartment is rented without movable furniture, but with furniture that is built in. High-end Miele appliances, refrigerator, dishwasher. There is such a table with cabinets here. In all locations, be sure to pay close attention to the extremely panoramic bright windows and exceptionally tall cabinets. All doors reach the ceiling. Here the architecture is designed in a manner that on the left side there is a living area and a kitchen, while on the right side there are 4 rooms, 3 of which are bedrooms, along with an office. Let's look at one bedroom. Here is such a bathroom, cabinets, bedroom, and access to the terrace. The sheer magnificence is truly mesmerizing. The office is something special. Here, one can enjoy beautiful views and experience beautiful thoughts. You can also go out to the terrace. On the left side, we go again to the panoramic corner bedroom with its own exit to the terrace and with its very beautiful views. The terrace provides a stunning vantage point to enjoy the breathtaking scenery. One bathroom shared between the bedroom and office. And let's enter another bedroom, the master's, featuring its own bathroom and access to the terrace once again. This accommodation offers breathtaking views towards Benidorm. So there are only a total of 8 apartments available, with prices ranging from $1,480,000 to $1,800,000 in this area. Each and every apartment boasts a breathtaking 360-degree view, convenient access to the common area, designated parking, and ample parking space. And most importantly, what you obtain are these unique types that cannot be replicated or obtained again. There are no more plots left for construction, so this project will undoubtedly be one of the best investment opportunities for you and your entire dynasty. Don't miss out on this chance. Welcome. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to receive notifications about our videos and ask questions. We will answer any questions that interest you about this or other objects on the Costa Blanca. Welcome to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Welcome.